Hello, my beautiful friends! Long time no see, right? Thank you for waiting for me to upload videos, and thank you for trusting me and subscribe to my channel with only one video. I'm sorry for not keeping up with the channel, but I have another channel in Spanish. Well, actually I have 3 Spanish YouTube channels, and that's a lot of work, but honestly they are doing great and they need my time. Also, I've been volunteering, whatever. You don't care about all of this, but if you do care, follow me on my Instagram. I share many things about my life there and many pictures. So thank you for being here today. And as you can see, I joined this trend of my glow up, but I will be sharing some really useful tips. I think that you can learn something from this video, so let's get into it. I will be sharing beauty tips, but also health tips and I don't know, interesting stuff. Don't forget to subscribe if you like these beauty tips and give me your likes. Thank you. And to my theatrical romantic girls, I'm wearing sparks today. What do you think? Huh? So, tip number 1. I don't know if any of you still do this, but do not touch your pimples. Like seriously, I had a really big problem with this because I was like touching my face all day, and I've never had acne, like serious acne or anything like that. Only 1 little pimple here and there, but seriously I was like obsessing with touching it, and I still kind of do, but only a little bit, and that is so bad for us. Anytime I wanted to take a selfie or whatever, I had to cover it with makeup or take a picture and then edit it to delete my mark. It's not even the pimple the problem, it's the wound that I made myself by touching it. But I've came over this and I've really seen a good change in my appearance. My skin looks great, and if you really struggle with acne, you know that the only thing you can do is to take good care of your skin. But seriously, if you touch your pimple, please stop doing it and you will see a big difference. Number 2, eyebrows. I know this will be very unpopular opinion, but I do not like these new trends of big, huge, dark eyebrows. I think they don't look good on everybody, and especially on us small girls, dainty girls with small faces and thin faces. We can't wear these huge big eyebrows. My eyebrows are naturally like that, but I tried to remove some hairs with a razor so my hair won't stop growing, just in case I want to grow them in the future. I do not pluck them, but I think generally speaking, thin eyebrows are better on most girls. So if you're feeling something's off lately with your face, maybe try to remove many hairs from your eyebrows and make them a little bit thinner. Also, that big statement, your eyebrows should be the same color as your hair. I mean, yeah, this is true, obviously. But it's okay if your eyebrows are a little bit darker than our hair. This gives some kind of dimension. I don't know. I personally like it. Number 3. Guys, you know I'm Spanish, but this is called mew or mewing. I don't know if I'm saying it right. It's a very funny name, but it really works. I've been trying it for like a month, not so much, and I've already seen a difference. Please do some research if you don't know what I'm talking about. Do some research about mew or mewing. But basically what it means is that you should change your tongue posture. Your tongue must be up here at all times, and you must be breathing with your nose and with your lips closed. And this really works to make your teeth straight, perfectly beautiful, and also works on your face. It sounds weird if you've never heard about this, but trust me, after you finish watching this video, go do some research about mewing and you will see a difference. No matter if you have like beautiful teeth already or a beautiful face or not, do it and then you come back and you tell me about it. Promise. Oof, this one is good for everything, for our health, for our beauty, and it's about taking the sun every day. I know some people think the sun is evil, but I do think we need to take at least 20 minutes, 15-20 minutes of sun every single day. This will be very good for our skin. It will completely delete or at least help a lot with acne. It will help with our general attitude, with our sleep, and of course this will give us a beautiful skin tone. We won't lay in the sun to get tan. It's not the point. The point is to get vitamin D, of course, and as I told you, get a beautiful tone overall, but it's mostly about health. If you don't do it already, just take like 10 minutes of sun every day from now on, and you will see a difference in your general look and health. This one is also pretty obvious, but if you do, stop biting your nails. And the only way you can stop doing that is to really want to do that. Any like stop biting your nails, nail polish that tastes bad, that won't work. It's like stop smoking or whatever. You really need that desire to stop, and this makes a good difference overall. I used to bite my nails before, and recently I removed my acrylics, so they are not on their best condition now. But yeah, you can look super pretty, your hair, your makeup, everything, and suddenly you see bitten nails and worse, bitten skin. It's not good for us. So really consider stop doing that. As I told you, I also bite my nails before, and I feel way more comfortable with my hands now. Okay, so this is key. Before, I never used a lip liner. I hated to line my lips, but I learned that lining your lips is actually very important, especially lining your top lip. From a girl named Olga Toha or something like that, I will leave her channel below, I learned that the top lip shows a lot about our age and our health. So if you've never tried lining your lips, I think you may look good. I think everybody can look prettier with a top lip well lined, a little bit overlined in my case because my top lip is smaller than my bottom lip. So I really like to make them both equal. Even though I know that the top is supposed to be smaller. Yes, I know, but I just like it big. And I totally refuse to get my lips done, to get injections. Honestly, I respect everybody that wants to change their appearance that way, but it's not for me. I think, I don't know, natural is always better, and I try to avoid these procedures where a needle has to come into your body. That's just my personal opinion and what I think is best for our health. But the tip is to line your lips, especially try to overline a little bit your top lip. I think everybody can look better with this single step. And with this next tip, we will save a lot of money. And I don't know about you, but my nails grow really fast. So I learned to do my own manicure and pedicure. Actually, to have a very simple but cute manicure is really easy. For both our manicure and pedicure, we only really need a file. I really like these ones that have many sides and we can do many things with it. Better than this, but you know, only a plain and simple nail file. Also, this tool, oh my god, is so useful. It's for the cuticle. How do you say it? Yeah, you know, you can push your cuticle, and this really gives a professional look to our nails and is very good. Never cut it, just push it back. Also, this kind of base coats is very good. This one, I love it. It really makes your nails longer and shinier, and it helps them grow really fast. But I really like, you know, the look that this gives to our nails. So yeah, it's from Walmart. So highly advised. And of course, probably we need some kind of nail serum. This is from Sally Hansen. It's called Vitasurge. is really good for your nail and the skin around it. And that's all we need for our nails. Of course, we can get some kind of nail polish, some colors. I really like that. I'm just resting from it because, as I told you before, I got acrylics and oh my god. But we don't need to go to the salon and pay 50, 70 bucks every time. In my case, every 2 weeks. What's the point? Next tip is don't brush your hair every day. When I was younger and my hair is actually naturally black and it was super healthy, I brush it every day. But now that my hair is dyed and is lighter, I do not advise to brush it every day. There's no need. You can only try to not get entangled, of course, but only brush it with your fingers, maybe make a little bun so it will get this kind of natural wave. If you don't want hair breakage, try to avoid brushing it every day. And of course, this is one is pretty obvious. Don't wash your hair every day. I really try not to wash it. At least I like to wash it twice a week, but I really try to wash it once a week. For the next tip, let's talk about what I call the Megan Fox effect. What is this Megan Fox effect? Well, Megan Fox is a very beautiful woman. She has very beautiful features on her face, by the way. I think she's a theatrical romantic like me and many of us. If you don't know what I'm talking about the Kibbe body type systems, whatever. I'll leave you links below. But Megan Fox looks really pretty because of her features, of course, but also because she has, of course, dark hair and tan skin. But how are her eyes? Her eyes are really light, so really dark hair and really light blue or green eyes looks very pretty. It makes a huge impact, and when you see that, I mean, I don't know, I really like those kind of looks. But what happens when we have almost black eyes? I think the only thing we can do is to go light. I'm not saying you have to completely bleach your hair, but I don't know, if you want a change, just try to, and of course you have super dark eyes like me, really try to lighten your hair a little bit. I know this is controversial because lighting your hair is not good for it, it's not healthy at all, actually it's really bad. However, I lighten my hair and I completely dye it this color with no hair dye and with no bleach. Yes, I went from black to this color with no bleach and no hair dye. If you want to know how, just ask me in the comments, and if I see that you really like it, you're really interested, I will film a video. But however, bleach or dye or not, it's still damaging for our hair. But I'm just saying, just give it a try, because now when I see pictures of me with dark hair, like, I really like my look now better. Maybe it's just a perception, and maybe I will change my opinion someday. But for now on, I really like this kind of contrast. Actually, I'm thinking about going very blonde. I want to be Sleeping Beauty or Aurora from Sleeping Beauty. What do you think? Do you think I will be prettier with that color, or do you like this one? I really like this color though. And I know this is not beauty related, but I'm obsessed with this kind of ASMR videos, but not like those normal videos. No, this kind of, how is it called? Ambiences? I mean, I'm sorry, I try my best with English. But look, this is so beautiful, and I love this because I get motivated with this to do my skin routine, to apply some masks on my hair, or I don't know, I feel like I enjoy so much having this on the background on my tablet or laptop or wherever, or my TV, that I enjoy putting this on and then feeling relaxed to do my skincare, hair care, whatever. This is like a life tip. Some of them are so beautiful. As you can see, they are pretty long, like 2 hours, 8 hours. They also help with your sleep. You can put them to sleep. Some of them are very long. And they also help with it, and you know that sleep and beauty go together. I have like a huge playlist with my favorites. If you want to, maybe I can share it with you. Just look at that. Look at that. Oh, look at this Christmas scenario. Look how beautiful with the Christmas tree and the city in the background, the music, the fireplace. I'm obsessed. Please tell me if you knew about this before. And I have a last tip for you, and this is to really pay attention and take time when you are washing your hair. And by this, I mean that, for example, I apply my shampoo. I really massage the shampoo. I get sure all of my hair has the product. Then I wait maybe 1 minute and then I rinse. But I make sure all of the shampoo is completely rinsed. Then I apply some conditioner or hair mask. And if in the bottle I see like leave it on for 3 minutes, I will leave it for 15 or 20 minutes or as much as I can. In the meantime, I will, I don't know, shave my legs, exfoliate. As I told you, I don't really wash my hair that frequently, so I can do this when I do wash my hair. But here it comes the real tip. After I apply my conditioner, I will rinse my hair for about 5 or 7 minutes. And I know, girls, some of you may be upset because, I don't know, you really care about the water. But again, I don't really wash my hair too much. It's not like we are rinsing our bodies. It's just our hair maybe once or twice a week. I think it's helpful for our general hair health to rinse our hair really good. If you don't do it, please try it. Try rinsing your hair really good. And maybe you find out that you can really go those extra days without washing your hair. So that's it, girls. I hope I didn't bore you. I have a huge list with many weird tips, but things that really work for me. And maybe if you really like this video and you comment below that you want some more, I can make some more videos for you. So thank you a lot for watching. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. Oops. Lilacsusi here. And also hit the like button and subscribe. See you next time. Mwah.